So, you're tired of Koho. Maybe the fees are piling up, or perhaps you've found a better financial platform. Whatever the reason, you're ready to cut ties. But how do you actually deactivate your Koho account? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Deactivating a bank account sounds like it's going to be a complex, time-consuming process. Maybe you're picturing long queues at a bank branch or endless hours on hold with customer service. Well, guess what? You're in for a surprise. Deactivating your Koho account is actually pretty straightforward. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might want to deactivate your Koho account in the first place. Maybe you're switching to a different digital bank that offers better features or lower fees. Or perhaps you're consolidating your finances and want to simplify things. Whatever your reason, it's important to understand your options. Alright, let's get down to business. The first thing you need to do is ensure your Koho account has a zero balance. This means transferring any remaining funds to another account. It's like cleaning up before you move out of an apartment. You don't want to leave any loose ends. Once your account is empty, it's time to contact Koho. The easiest way to do this is through their in-app chat feature. You can usually find it in the settings or help section of the app. Just open a chat and politely request to close your account. Be prepared to verify your identity, so have your government-issued ID handy. Now, there might be a few follow-up questions from Koho. They might ask why you're leaving or if there's anything they can do to keep you as a customer. Feel free to be honest, but remember to be polite. After all, you want this process to go smoothly. Once you've confirmed your request to close the account, Koho will usually process it within a few business days. You might receive a confirmation email once it's complete. It's a good idea to keep this email for your records. So there you have it. Deactivating your Koho account is actually pretty simple. Just make sure your account is empty, contact Koho through the app, and wait for confirmation. But wait, there's one more thing. Before you completely say goodbye to Koho, it's worth checking if there are any outstanding issues or pending transactions. You don't want any surprises popping up after you've closed your account. And there you have it. Deactivating your Koho account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Remember, always ensure your account is empty before initiating the closure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.